Okay, we are going to go over the stroke buttons that are found in the main control area. So when you first open the app, the stroke that you have in your hand is this paint stroke, which, he starts spraying away to your heart's content. Once you've created that stroke, if you would like to move it, you can click on move and drag it around. You can delete it or you can undo deleting it. If you have multiple things in the workspace, such as this, you can choose select and select the different objects. You can use the edit tool and aspect, which will lock the aspect ratio of an object that you're going to modify. Or you can do freehand and just, you know, adjust it however you like. Hitting reset usually on items like that will take it full screen. Um, and that is pretty much all of these buttons here in the interface. One other really important button actually I should point out is if you have several objects in the workspace, I'll just type some text in there and just drag some stuff, is the pick tool. So right now in my hand I have this spray tool that makes these pretty colors. Let's say I didn't know where these strokes were. Maybe I'd saved this project out earlier in the year and they were custom things that maybe I don't see anymore. You can use the pick tool and then select the object, which will then put it in your hand again. So now every time you drag in the workspace, I'm creating little dollar signs. So that's what the pick tool does. This little guy goes through and allows me to select each object individually. It actually also shows on the timeline. If I expand that and go through it, you can see it highlighting in here too. So just another way to see what's going on. I'll add that if you wanted to, you could right click and minimize the track heights so you can see more of them in this little area. So that is the buttons in the stroke area. Next, we're going to dive deep into the actual stroke modifying panel. So this bad boy here gets deep. You got like 5 different pages of stuff you can modify and animate, and we'll go through all that next.